Hey there, fellow bakers! I've got something super sweet to share with you today. If you love baking as much as I do, and I know you do, then you're going to flip for this. But first, quick housekeeping. Don't forget to hit that link in the description below for an exclusive bake coupon code. You won't want to miss out on these savings, trust me. All right, let's dive into it. Picture this. You're in the middle of whipping up your famous chocolate chip cookies. The oven is preheated, the dough is ready, and then, oh no, you realize you're out of chocolate chips. Or worse, you're out of flour. Total baking nightmare, right? But don't worry, I've got your back. With the Bake Coupon Code, you can stock up on all your baking essentials without breaking the bank. We're talking all the goodies: premium flour, gourmet chocolate, organic sugar, you name it. Plus, you'll get discounts on fancy bakeware and tools that'll make you feel like a baking superstar. It's like a baker's dream come true. Now you might be wondering, how do I get in on this magical deal? It's easy peasy. Just click that link in the description below, enter the Bake Coupon Code at checkout, and voila! Instant savings on all your baking supplies. It's as simple as that. And hey, while you're at it, why not treat yourself to something new? Maybe a shiny new stand mixer or that cute set of cookie cutters you've been eyeing? After all, you deserve it for being the amazing baker that you are. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below, grab that Bake Coupon Code, and get ready to bake your heart out. Your future self and your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Happy baking, my friends! And don't forget, the best things in life are sweet and come with a discount. See you next time. Click the link below and get your Bake Coupon Code now.